guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video and it is a Sephora haul. I spent way too much money at Sephora. I think my bill ended up coming to like $375, close to $400. I look in this box and I'm like, really? But you guys know how Sephora is. You buy one thing and it's like $400. So yeah, I just want to show you guys what I got. A little side note, I filmed this video of this makeup, and if you want to see or learn how I did it, I will link it down below for you guys. Anyways, if you want to see what I bought for Sephora, I literally can't speak, and this is like the 10th time me filming this intro, so like we're just gonna ignore I said that. If you guys want to see what I bought, let's just keep watching. The first thing I bought was, so this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette is like my ride or die. Like, if I was stuck on an island, I would bring this. I know Rachel's watching and like, sorry, I picked bronzer again. I got the new one where you can refill. I thought I had the old one like that, but I was trying to get some of the, like, you know, compartments out, and I was just destroying the makeup. So unless I just don't know how to do it, maybe she should come up with a tool for that. Anyways, so I bought like a bunch of different things to go in it. So the first thing I bought was, so I wanted to do only the colors I use because of my other one I don't use the two deepest highlighting and bronzing shade. So I bought Shadow Play. So it's cool, they come in this little thing. I've taken them out so I could put them in there to show you guys, but it comes in this little package and you get the drift, yeah. So I got Shadow Play, I got Lyric, which is the yellow. I got Somber, which is the, I believe it's the bronzing one, which was the cream contour, which you guys know I'm obsessed with cream contour now, so I was like, cool. Also had ordered, because I always run out of the lightest shade first, and it said like, you place your order, you're good to go, whatever. And then I got the box and I'm like, I'm 2 shades short. And so I'll put it in here so I can show you guys. So the lightest 2 shades, they didn't update their inventory and they were sold out. So no, like a little sad, like, I don't know, I want it to be like full and nice, but now I'm missing 2, so I'm like trying to take that out of my old one, but clearly it's not removable. So yeah, I've tried this contour and I love it. I love it. It's like the exact same shade as the powder, and then once you put the powder one on it, obsessed. The next thing I got was, guys, I was trying to get a new mascara because I was like, they probably don't want to see me use Roller Lash every time. And then I ended up with Roller Lash in my cart. Oh, it's like $30 and I'm like, what if I hate the other mascara? I don't know. Anyways, sorry, I ended up with this again. Maybe one day I'll venture out. And another really cool thing I got, it is the matching Roller Lash eyeliner. So I was super excited to try this. I just will show you guys in case you don't know what this one is. But it's basically the same but mini. And this is the same brush, like seeing them together, they're really cute. So I will tell you guys, I have tried and I do really like it. I still can't decide. So like my top 3 are the Kat Von D Tattoo Lash, the Stila Stay All Day one, and this one. And I still can't decide which one I like more. I think I need to use this one more, like hot days, wear it throughout the day, just to see how I feel about it. But yeah, so far so good. The thing I got was, well, it was my birthday in July. It was July 22nd, so I got that Kat Von D little birthday gift. So it comes with the tattoo liner, which I know I love. It comes with the loose powder, which is actually really good, and it comes with lip products, which I'll never use. So yeah, that was kind of good. What else did I get? I got a new, so I've used everything, not because it was my intention to be like, oh, come on, film it, tell them what I think of all the products. It was literally because I could not wait and I wanted to try everything. This is dirty, but it was like a really cool neon orange or yellow color. You can still kind of see it. And it was like, I think a limited edition one, but it gets so big. Like, I have the pink one, and you know, I don't think I'm really into the pink one after trying this one. Like, this one gets so big when you get it wet, where the pink one kind of stays fairly small. So I've also tried the tan one, which also stayed kind of small. So whatever they did to this one, I think I'm gonna go grab a few more in case they sell out and then they don't make any more. So yeah, really cool. I like that color. Next thing I got was the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So I haven't ever actually tried this, but I've only heard good things. So I really wanted to try it. Comes in the cute little, the next time I go out and see how my makeup holds out. But I know it's got great reviews and people all over YouTube talk about it. So we shall see. I got was the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. So I've never tried the Secret Brightening Powder. I've only tried like their loose translucent powder. And I was really excited to try this. I'm curious if it's, you know, it's gonna take me a whole lifetime to get this open though. It makes your skin feel like so soft. So I'm curious if this one does as well. Let me just. So it's definitely a lot whiter. Whew. It's definitely a lot whiter. Just wanted to put a little bit. Yeah, it does the same thing, but it is a lot whiter. So that's cool. And final thing I bought was from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's their stick foundation, but it was in their like cream contour section, you know, like how they have like their sand. Anyways, it was there, and like I said a million times, I'm really into cream contours ever since I tried the LA Girl one from Ulta. Oh, it's really pretty actually. So the packaging, rose gold, like all of her stuff. It looks a lot like the bronzer I have from her. And I'm curious how similar this one is to the Kat Von D one. Kat Von D one is this further, so it's quite lighter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just quickly swatch them. That is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. And let's get a little bit of this one. I'm left-handed, and so I keep grabbing my left hand, but the swatch is on this hand because I had powder on this hand, and you guys know how it goes. Okay, so they are a lot different. So this one here is the Kat Von D one, which is like a bronze, and this one here, the shadow from, I think it's called Shadow from the Anastasia, is like a true shadow, like it's a true contour. So like I would think I would probably use this one just here, like maybe even an inch in, and then blend it out, and then use the bronzer one to go a little bit further down. That's all I bought. I have a little bonus drugstore one in here I might as well show you guys. It is the Stay Satin Liquid Lip Color in Rogue. A little swatch of that. It's got a nice little applicator on it. So it's more of like a peachy nude. You guys know that's my jam. Oh, it smells like candy. Oh, it smells good. So that is it there. Look like if I just threw it on. Is it basically the same color as what I'm wearing? That is it, you guys. That is everything I bought from Sephora this time around. Once my visa finishes taking the hit from this Sephora haul, I will be back doing another one. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one.